Experiment 2. An experiment was carried out to determine the speed of light to 4 insignificant figures using normal lab equipment. It is, of course, an experiment that's been carried out hundreds of times, but perhaps most famously by the pop singer Timothy Tom Tomlinson, who interestingly discovered it accidentally during his tour of Bermuda almost 20 years ago from now. Let's recreate the experiment. Get your notebook ready. Careful. First, we add 2 spoonfuls of Peterson's powder to approximately 0.01 fathoms of ordinary industrial tap water. Remember, try not to look directly at the Peterson's powder if at all possible. Agitate the mixture. Place the object you want to achieve light speed, or LS, as it is of course more commonly known, on top of the beaker. In this example I'm using an ordinary spanner, but of course you can use any object. Ensure the heating device is set to hot. Heat the liquid to 290 kelvins and watch what happens. Get ready. Keep an eye on the spanner. Watch what happens. Of course, the spanner will disappear. It reappears exactly the square of the distance between the object and the Peterson's powder, depending on what day it is. Today is a Tuesday, so of course we add 300 feet to the calculation. Now let's go and find it. We head off, due north, using appropriate footwear and safety equipment. It's around here somewhere. Can you see it? Well, can you? And here it is, safe and sound. Let's get closer so it's clearly visible. Here it is. Right here. Then, of course, the calculation to determine the speed of light is simple. Take the distance from the Peterson's powder to the object's new location, add Barat's number, and divide by the mass of the object. We of course come to exactly about 18.291 units of motion per fortnight. Write that down. Remember, once found, the object must be buried within 10 minutes. 10 minutes. Complete your note-taking and file it under the appropriate section. Once the water has been destroyed, the experiment is complete.